Welcome to this video clip, which highlights what is included in the TaxPro 2025 version 4.01 release. The first item is the carry forward for all clients, which is now available to access from the practice dashboard. When users click on the Carry Forward Clients link, a message will pop up, asking if you want to carry forward all clients or an individual client. At this point of the year, users should carry forward all clients. The software will roll forward all the clients' details, such as unused losses, capital allowances, and all the data set up in each screen, relevant to each tax year, from the last tax year the user has selected to the next tax year. The Carry Forward All Clients option can only be run once in each tax year. Otherwise, clients are carried forward individually. It is possible to overwrite a carry forward by running the single carry forward option again for a particular client. When overwriting a single client, users will be prompted to enter a password, which will be provided if users contact our support. Once the carry forward all has been completed, then users should run the bulk ROS import is run for all clients. Click on the bulk ROS data link on the practice dashboard. Users can select all clients, click on Submit and put in your digital cert and password. All of the pre-populated information available for all of your clients will be brought into the software. This action could take a considerable amount of time, depending on the amount of clients' information that is being brought into the software from ROS. It is advisable that this is run at the optimal time of the day or maybe evening, as the software will not be accessible while the software is executing this feature. Once complete, when a user selects any client in the software, they will be prompted that the ROS information can be used to pre-populate the particular screen that is related to. (2025) dividend payment information for Irish and UK publicly quoted companies. Both the UK and Irish dividend screens have been updated. To review the Irish dividend payments, select the Irish dividend screen. On entry to the screen, the details have been updated for all the Irish public quoted shares on the stock exchange, with details of payment dates, payment amounts, and company name from the drop-down menu. In the UK data entry screens, all of the dividend details have also been updated in those screens. Users need to ensure that the number of shares are always up to date. If your client's shareholding has changed since the previous year, they must be updated. The next piece of new information that has been introduced is in the farmland lease exemption section. Select the rental income and expenditure screen. Click on the farmland lease exemption. Note the additional questions asked on the screen. Revenue have introduced split year treatment to the Form 11. Click on the residency details link. If your client is claiming split year treatment, complete the relevant details required here. When completing split year treatment for your client, it is only the income that the client is taxable on in the period that is entered into the data entry screens. Next is the change in the capital gains tax section, relating to the introduction of CGT reliefs and deferred tax. In the capital gains tax section and under reliefs, you'll see there are new additional fields to deal with taxes deferred and disposal information. Note additional information fields are required for deferring payments under Section 594A. There is also a new section to deal with the claims deferred payments under Section 599, 4A, C. 2025 Paper, 12 Form. where a client has been marked as Form 12 in the Client Details screen. Then, the paper Form 12 is available to run by clicking on the Paper Form 12 link under Quick Links on the client dashboard. The paper Form 12 can also be accessed through the Report section. Note there is a number of pages in this Report section. The Form 12 can be accessed on the Returns and Forms page. The paper Form CG1 can also be accessed in this section. That completes the overview of 2025 version 4.01. We will keep clients advised of all future software updates via the Notes section, at the top of the Practice dashboard screen in TaxPro. The paper notes, relating to this release 2025 v4.01 can be downloaded from our website.